Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we're going to talk about credit. That's your asset, ladies and gentlemen, but it's how you use your credit that makes it an asset. And so we got to talk about the tools necessary, that smart credit tool I'm going to talk about today. So please stand by if you want to improve your credit score, if you want to maintain your credit score. This is a valuable tool that you can use, and anybody can use it. And welcome. Stop struggling now, gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back here in the lab because I have to show you the smart credit way to make sure that you're going to build this asset correctly over the next year, year and a half to 2 years. So, first, please share the videos. You never know who you're going to help, but we're going to get into the smart credit. But first, we got to go to the channel and go check out Stop Struggling Now YouTube podcast page. So again, please notice there's a join button over here on the right hand side. That's how you become a member of the channel. And members with the icon during the live streams are members of the channel, and some of them are shown here on the page. This is how you support the channel financially. And you receive special messages under the community tab, 1 or 2 videos per month specifically for members of the channel under the community tab. Also, any member can always join me on any one of our live streams, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, just to name a few of the little perks, along with others. So let's get into it, shall we? Intellectual credit score, smart credit. This right here is a tool that you need in your toolbox. Yes, it does cost, but it is the cheapest. Identity theft is covered. The cheapest coverage for all 3 credit bureaus that you can log in and see. The cheapest when you add in the hiring score and auto score, so you know fully what your score and you understand what is happening. Control your future credit score. This is perfect. Here it is. Great for any type of credit. Score tracker, score builder, score boost. But wait, there's more. Plus your money, privacy, and insurance. And this is very, very valuable in itself. If there's identity theft, not only does it cover you, but it covers everyone that uses your address in your household that would also have the same coverage for identity theft or fraud. They can help you out. So that is pretty awesome. Money Manager, online banking in one place. That's right. You can load up your accounts in the back office. And here's what I was talking about, the privacy and fraud insurance. Stops websites or data brokers from sharing or selling your personal information. Plus, you get 1 million identity fraud insurance for your whole family. And again, there's always going to be an asterisk. It's not for your whole family. It's only for your family that lives in the same household. All right? It can't be your brother that lives in another city, state, country. They won't qualify. And then, of course, you have the mobile alerts. But here it is. Member snapshot. We're going to talk about, I'm going to show you some of the back office and what it looks like. But it's very, very simple. And look at this. To start, 0 for the first 6 months. They have a promotion right now. $9.95 a month thereafter. And again, you receive everything that I discussed. And 3 credit reporting agencies, all at your disposal. You get to see who it is, what it is. But we'll get into that in a second because we got to go over here to the tools because it's a score tracker. Remember when I was telling you about your credit score, the auto score, the insurance score, and your hiring index? Those are all things that they're using to, well, I call it against you. Others would say to help you. All right. But different scores for different things. And therefore, you need to make sure you're on par with the correct scoring. Now, Score Builder, your personal plan, you just say, hey, I want this to happen within the next 90 days. Then a Score Builder Take Action will come up and tell you how you should start proceeding. Score Boost, well, there's several ways that you can do a score boost, but I want to get into something else as well with regard to score boost, because when in the back office here, they have something, and I see I'm not logged in. They have something where you can actually send out notes, letters, email to your creditors if you find that there's a problem. Like, hey, I made a payment last month. You show me I was 30 days late. There's something for that. You could say, hey, can you take this off? You can request, but it's going to creditors directly. It's not going to the credit bureaus, but they have at least 30 to 50 letters in the back office that can help you. All right. So what I'm going to do here is keep showing you exactly. Once again, we have the fraud and again, the alerts. Fair enough. I'm going to go to more features. And I forgot, I meant to stay logged in, but now I can't log in on screen. So I'm not going to do that right now. But once again, now with Score Tracker, Builder, and Boost, here's what we're looking at. 0 for 6 months free. After that, you're going to pay $9.95 a month. You'll have plenty of time to make sure that your score is being tracked appropriately. All right. So I just wanted to put this on screen. I don't want to make this too long, but I'm going to be doing some things in the background as I talk. But your asset that you need now is your credit. So we're going to go to the screen and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like here as an example. All right. Your credit score, let's just say it's 639. This is the back office and what it looks like. All right. Here's exactly what you would see. You would see something like 639. It grades it a D, 610 auto score, a D, insurance score, a D, high risk index, a D. That's because the hiring risk index is based on your lack of high credit score. Now, track changes. If there was any changes, you would see that. And then it tracks your credit score month to month to month, lets you know what you can do for improvement. And again, let's keep going. This is so awesome of a program that I can't believe it. And this is the Score Builder where they said 120 days to a better credit free with your membership. And again, this is all in the back office. You're trying to get a 729 credit score, and then it tells you how to proceed on doing that. All right. And they give you an analysis of your score. Let's keep going. And so I'm not going to keep going. But again, look, in this case, as the example, 4,500 limit. Okay, that's not bad. Closed. Nothing you can do. This one here doesn't show anything. But all of this helps you in the back office. Score Boost also can help you, and you'll see exactly what's going on here. Few current offers. This is something that also has started out. They didn't have this originally when we first started doing this, but now they have this MyLona, and you can see add to your credit score for better offers, almost like Credit Karma. And now if you increase your credit score, then therefore you have offers that come in just like you see down here at the bottom. Similar to Credit Karma, similar to the other credit help type of websites. So this is pretty major as well. And so again, I love it. And hopefully you guys will love this too. Now, I'm not going to get into anything else because there's not much else to do. Here's Money Manager. And this is where you can keep all of your accounts. You see here, add 10 accounts from your credit report, search to add an account. And you can see here on the screen, transferred money, 3588 payment, transfer savings, transfer from checking. Great. And so all of this helps you understand where your money's going, and there's a calculation and tracking of your assets, checking savings account totals, investments, other debts. So this gives you a snapshot and an overall view of, look, your net worth down here at the bottom. A lot of people don't understand. They say, well, I have $100,000 in investments, and all total, I have $105,000, but your debts are negative 404. So let's just say a person has credit cards of 1,000, and then you have a loan on a house of 403. Now you understand it's a negative net worth. A lot of people don't count their homes and the IOU on their home as part of their net worth, but it actually is. And conversely, if this was not a loan and that wasn't on here, then you could actually add in your assets as the other, because then your house or home or condo, let's just say it was 400,000, then it would be an additional 400,000. So this would be 505 minus any credit cards amount. So you'd be down to 503, let's say. Net worth down here at the bottom, 503. Sorry, not the loans, but 503. So again, this is very, very good for you to understand, because you can see it here. Unlike many other programs, they don't show your net worth described as it should be. You want to be the CEO of your life? Well, guess what? This is what you need right here. They're giving you a perfect way to make sure that you stay up to date with everything that you need. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't want to go over it too long because, you know, I make these 20, 30, 40-minute videos, and we're going to try and make this one under 13 minutes. How about that for a new record? Here we go. Full coverage for the whole family with 1 million identity fraud insurance. That's very nice. But like I said, it's based on covers your entire family residing in your household. All right. Covers your bank, savings, brokers, lines of credit, credit card, and more. Covers your cash out-of-pocket expenses incurred in your ID recovery. Covers your credit reports. Covers pre-existing identity fraud you didn't know about. Replacement costs due to stolen driver's license. Replacement costs due to stolen passport. This all comes in handy just for having smart credit. Well, let me know what you guys think down below, ladies and gentlemen, because this is one hell of a great tool for everyone, and it's an asset, is your credit. In 2 years, I want to bring this up. If you buy property in the second half of 2023 and into the first half of 2024, you will have bought at the lowest price points. Once the Federal Reserve starts reducing their credit or reducing their Federal Reserve rate, then home prices will start going up. So you not only are you going to need great credit, but you're going to need great credit when you bought a home or bought real estate in the lull of the real estate market, and it goes up $200, $300, $400,000 equity in homes in a matter of 2 years. You're going to wish that you had a great credit score, because when somebody tells you you can refinance your house and take out an extra whatever, $100,000, $200,000, and all it's going to cost you is a lower rate than what you're paying now, and you have cash at your disposal that you're going to be able to use to go out and buy another asset, you got to set yourself up for success starting now. A lot of you have already done that. But now we need more people to set themselves up for success, because you're going to have to own businesses. You're going to have to create businesses. You're going to have to figure out extra streams of revenue, because the cost of living in the next 2 years is going to be higher than it is right now. You can count on it. Book it. All right. And with all that said, please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. And that's why we got to get the first thing first. Make sure you are getting rid of your debt. As we speak, every month, pay down. Try not to get in any more debt at this point. Because in 1 year's time, 1 year and a half, you're going to want to tap into a great credit score and again, turning it into more assets because you will need it. Your family will need it. There's no way around it. The cost of living is going to keep rising because companies have to make profit. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.